One of the hardest and most time-consuming things in a project is getting data to start with. SITEOPS has created a geolocate option which allows you to go in, enter an address or property location, zoom into it, then be able to identify your project area inside the viewer, select that location, and now put your project on the coordinates for that area. Then go in and add things such as Esri world imagery, USGS topo, SRTM topo, near map, OpenStreetMap, a lot of information that can be added. SITEOPS will use this information to create a three-dimensional surface. This surface will be the base to the project. Users can also bring in their own information. You can import DGNs, DWGs, LandXML, shapefiles, KMZ files to add to the project data. You can also bring in your own imagery. If the project has been droned, bring in 3MX files from context capture, OBJ files. Locate the file, whether it's on the web or local machine. SITEOPS will then look at that information and add to the project. It can also interact with other data such as the Esri image. As you can see, if I take it away and then bring it back, it'll fill in the missing gaps from the context capture model to Esri. We zoomed in. It is a tiled mesh, so as we zoom in, it will make our information a lot better, 3D model more accurate. There's also a surface in there. So SITEOPS will extract the 3D model data. But we need to clean this data up. To do this, there are pruning tools which allows users to go in and take out things such as the building we see. The building is not a mound of soil. It needs to be removed from the surface model. Identify the area to be removed. Apply this. Now SITEOPS will interpolate a new surface. Next step is to clean up the rest of the project using the prune existing and other surface editing tools provided in SITEOPS. With SITEOPS, you can use the parametric design objects to quickly create a layout with buildings, driveways, parking lots, and ponds. By the click of a button, you can take that surface that's been created along with the design and grade this project thousands to millions of times. Export the model to LumenRT to create amazing visualizations such as videos, imagery, augmented reality, and show it in the context of the community around it. Letting stakeholders understand not just your design intent, but also how does it fit the community. Being able to deliver these 3D models instead of flat 2D drawings will help separate you from your competition.